In this video, you will learn how to build a reliable job queue using Redis, so you can review production code and catch the bugs that slip past most developers. A job queue lets your web server hand off slow tasks to background workers instantly. Redis is a natural fit because its list and stream types give you exactly the push and pop primitives a queue needs. The producer calls RPUSH to append a job to the tail. A worker calls BLPOP, which pops from the head and blocks until work arrives. Streams extend this with acknowledgements and automatic reclaim of jobs that a crashed worker never finished. We push 3 jobs onto the list, check its length with len, then pop each one. The fourth BLPOP finds an empty list and times out after 1 second, returning nil, exactly how a real worker loop behaves. When reviewing a pull request, check that workers use BLPOP, not a polling loop. With streams, verify that XACK is called after processing, not before, and that a reclaim job handles workers that crash mid-flight. Remember, a list gives you a fast, simple queue in 2 commands, and streams when you need delivery guarantees. Those 3 review signals, polling loops, wrong end access, and missing ACKs, cover the most common job queue bugs in real code bases.